you can buy at a strong support. So how you buy at a strong support? So whenever the price found support 3 times, you can buy. It is a strong buying signal. Now, it can be either at the 50 or 150 or 200 moving average. So whenever the price is found support 3 times, it is a strong buy signal. It can be at the 50, 150, or 200 moving average. In that case, you may go long or you can buy. So what I mean by that, we have what you call resistance and we have what you call support. So the resistance in the top and the support in the bottom. But today, we're just going to talk about the support. So whenever the price, the stock market, so the price always go up and down, up and down, up and down. So this is the support here. Example, practice example. That's mean the support, and the price go up, it's go down to the support. It's go up, it's go down to the support. It's go up, it's go down to the support. So anytime the price go down 3 times to the support, that means it shows you a buy signal or it shows you a strong support. So whenever it's tap 3 times, 1, 2, 3, is a strong support. So therefore, you can buy. So as you can see here, the bottom here, price go up and down. Price go up and down here, and it's go up and down. So meaning it's 3 times. So it's we'll open here, it's go up, down 1 time. It's go up here and down again 2 times, and another go up and down here, that's 3 times. So therefore, it's a buy signal. So after 3 times, you hit the support 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and you can buy anymore. You go up with it. So 1, 2, 3. So you don't buy in the first support. You have to make sure it's confirmed at least 3 times. 1, 2, and 3, and then you buy. So it can be also at the moving average. So it can be at the 50 moving average, 150 moving average, or 200 moving average. So therefore, it can be either one. It can be at 50, it can be at 150, or 200 moving average. That's the way. And that's the way you buy. I'm going to show you what's called moving average. I'm going to show you an example in the short. This is the moving average, those lines. On your short or on your platform, at your platform, you just tap, you go to the thing, and you tap indicators, and you tap moving average. And it's going to come up. You can put 50, you can put 150, and you can put 200. Those are the line. First is this blue line is a 50 moving average. This line here is a 200 moving average. So therefore, the price can be hit to the 200 moving average, or can be hit to 50 moving average. So anytime the price hit 3 times one of the support or those moving average is a strong support. I'm just giving you here that an example of moving average. So you can see what's the moving average. Those are the line. After you tap in on that indicators, you tap in 50 moving average. You put moving average and you tap 50. Moving average, you put 150. Moving average, you put 200. Those are the line. So that's the way it's gonna come. I'm just staying here on the moving average on the support. So whenever the price go up and it go back to the support and go up again, go back again to the support, and go up again to back to the support 3 times, that's a strong. We call that strong support. That's why we tell that's a strong support. So it hit 3 times, that's a buy signal. Now I'm gonna show you something about candlestick. We have, for people who don't know, see those price, like you're gonna see like this candle here. For those who don't know their names, I'm gonna give you 9 of them. Candlestick patterns. So what do certain candlestick means? What do they mean? They said the longer the body is, the more intense the buyer or selling pressure. So the longer body is, the more intense, stronger the buying or selling pressure. Conversely, short candlestick indicate little price movement and represent consolidation. Long white or green candlesticks show strong buying pressure. The longer the white candlestick, or you can say it's green, the longer the white or the green candlestick is, the further the close is above the open. So I'm going to show you their name, some of their names. As you can see here, the first one, the big body, green one, bullish. His name is Maubozu. Those are the Japanese name because most of the candle has been created by Japanese. So those are the Japanese name. Maubozu, that's a big body, this candle called Maubozu. And the next one called Doji. That's a Doji. That's a big signal. Now you can see the body empty and down, and the price was up and it's go down here. And the price was go down and go up. So the body very small. It had a small body. We call that small body here. We call it Doji. All right. The next one, this one, you see, you hit go down, and it has all the way down and go up back. So we call this shooting star. This one called shooting star. And the next one, you see, have a small body here. It's called spinning top. Spinning top. And the next one, that's a great one. Whenever you see that one, that's a good signal. A good buy signal. We call that dragonfly doji. Don't forget. This is one called Maubozu. That's a big green candle. The small body called doji. And this one called shooting bar. And this one called spinning top. And that one called dragonfly doji. Whenever you see those, that's a big sign. That's a big signal of buying or selling. Whenever you see them. Whenever you see them between these, in the middle, from there, like this, that's a good signal. The next one I'm going to show you, this one called, I'm going to show you different level of bullishness. All those candles, those 5 candles that you can see there, those are the levels of bullishness. Anytime you see one of those candles can be between there, after the price go down, if you see one of those candles, especially down there, that's a big signal of buying. But I'm going to show you the level of them. The first one is that's the most bullish. Whenever you see this, that's a big bullish candle. The second one is a second most bullish. Whenever you see that's a second one, that's a good signal of buying. We can call that a pimba. It's a big buying signal. And this one is a normal bullish. This one. See this head, the bottom is not completely filled, not complete filled. So we call this a normal. It's a normal bullish. That one also he calls a neutral bullish. That means has a small body. In that case, we can say that the market at the time, the price is under this season, the price is sideways. So it has a little body. And that one is a least bullish. Upside down. Can be that one can turn as a bearish, and also it can turn as a bullish. It depends. You see, that's a bearish bullish. So those five are those different levels of bullishness. So this one is most bullish, big one. This one is the second most bullish, and that one is a normal bullish. And this one is a neutral bullish. And this one is least bullish. Therefore, that's the way it is. I'm gonna show you something on how you can input them. I'm going to give you an example on the Yahoo Finance. Let me see if I can share another thing for you. Let me see something from there. Let me see. Here. So I'm going to show you something here. Let me see what can be done right there. Let me see something here. Hold on. I can show you another thing about something. So let me see. Yes, this is what I want to show you. For instance, here. An example here. You can tap here. I'm going to show something here, there, or you can input them. You go to Yahoo Finance, and then, for instance, if you want to look for, you go to Yahoo Finance. You're gonna look first. You look for NVDA, for the NVDA Corporation. NVDA. So as you can see today, the NVDA price is 175.92, and you can see the previous close was 72.72. So 172.22 yesterday. Today, it was open at 168.44. We have the bid, which is, and we have the ask. And the day range between today is 168.35 to 178.37. That's mean, let's say that we can represent the 168.35 as a support, and the 178.37 can be as a resistance. So that means the 168, that's a little lower that it can go for today. And the 178.37, that's a higher. So the 168.35 is a base, it is support. It's a lower. And the 178.37 in the range, that's it. Resistance that you can go higher. And we have the 52 weeks range for the year. It can be 150, 140.55 to 146.47. That's the highest. You can go to 340. Imagine that you buy this at 175. That is undervalued now. 175.65. And it goes after 1 year, 346.47 and maybe higher. That's a good money you can make. It depends how many shares that you buy. So, and you have the volume and you have average volume. Now, what I need to show you with just 1 minute and last thing, I'm not going to keep it that long. I'm just going to show you how you can input it. For instance, you got here short here. See, that's the way you click on short, and it shows you all those short. I got something that I got input there. See, that's a 200 moving average. That's the indicator that shows you. So I'm gonna erase them. I'm gonna show you how you put them. Now, I'm going to erase all those lines, everything. See, that's big candle. That's the last candle. See, so what I want to tell you to show you in the interval, you put 1 day here. That's mean every time you click on 1 day, so each candles here represent 1 day. So this candle 1 day, this one 1 day, 1 day, 1 day, 1 day until you get to that. So for instance, if you point your mouse here, you're gonna see the date today, 8/25/22. That's mean this candle, the last candle is for today. So the market was like that, 178, and it was open this morning at 168 down there. So if you want to place a support and resistance, you just click on the draw line here. You tap the line here. Click on the draw line, and you put the line here. The way at the support here. See? And you can just fix it. See? Let me see if I can go straight. See? We call that support. The support, that's the lowest that you can do. So that's when the price go from up here, and I'm going to put the resistance there on the top here. That's the way you do it. Yeah, let me see if I can straighten it now. Here. All right. So therefore, so that's it. See, that's a support. So whenever the price go up, see, now it's not completely filled. See, the price actually is there, 175, like you can see here, 175.46. So this is the price here. If I put the mouse here is 175.36. So the highest that you can go is 178. See, 178. Yes. See, it's going to go to 178 today. All right. If it actually now it's 170. Now the lowest that he can go is 168. So we call that the bottom here is a support. So between today, the price can go from up to 178 to 168. So when do you buy? You buy whenever the price go back to 168. At least, see, you buy when the price go back here, down there to 168 to the support. Let me just erase again. I'm going to show you. I'm going to see if I can put it again to show you the support only because I'm just concerned about support today. See here, buy whenever the price go there to the support here. So when the price from the top here actually is 175, so you wait until it go back to 168. If you have to buy today, just wait for the price to go back to the 168, and it, boom, you buy there, and you wait until you go back again. If you have to trade, just wait. You wait until it go back up to 178 like this to top here. See. Once you go back to 178, or you can sell at 165, 75 again from there, and you take your profit. See? Okay. Now, that's a good free lesson I give you now. So, last thing, if you want to subscribe to the channel, I will bring you more stuff, free, good stuff, so we'll know. Now, how you put your indicators, I'm just going to erase the support for you, so don't confuse you. Just put indicators, how you put your 50, 150, and 200 moving average. You just go there, again, you click on indicators, and you tap here moving average. Since it's already been there, you see that's the first thing, you click on moving average. And the 50 has already been there. Down there, that's a color. You can put any color that you want to. You can put blue, you can leave it as it is. But now you just put blue, for instance, you click blue, and you save. You see? Moving, like I told you, very good support. So the price today was sitting at the support at the 50. Look at the last candle. You see, so the price was sitting. So when did you buy? You buy when it was there at 168. It's true. So it was sitting at 168. So if you have ever opened today your laptop or your computer and you want to buy NVDA today, like a summary, you see, like I told you, the summary, the only thing you first see, watch it, your summary. Your summary says 168.35, which is the bottom line, and 178, that's your top line. So if you, when you get to the left, if you're on the short, it shows you clearly that the support is here. It's a support at 168. So you have to buy here at 168. And then by that time today at 175, you have already made your money. You sell there, the top at 175. Because this morning earlier it went to 178. Now it's trying to go back again. See? You can take it back again if you want. You can, if you have to put a put, you just put a put there and it's go down. So that's the way. And if you want to put your 50 moving average, now you put your 50, you want to put on 150. That moving average, he already got 50, just put 1. You 150, and then since the 50 is already blue, so you don't leave you put a different color, so you can make it different. So you click on the color, you give it like exactly yellow, you put yellow. You see? That's a 150 movies at the top here. In order for you to put the 200, you click on indicate again, you click on moving average, and here you put 200. I can put color again, you leave everything as it is, and just change the color. Let's say you put this as a red, and you click there. It's a moving average. As what you can see here is that in sequence, because actually because of the inflation, all this inflation, so the market, everything is down. So that's why we do 200 at the top, the 150 under, and the 50 under. So the way is very strong by signal, or the market is very bullish. The 50, which is the less number, has to be on the top of 150, and the 150 has to be on top of 200. So 50 now is not at the top of all of them. The 50 is all doing better, but for the short term, it's a bullish momentum because now the candles are the support here. Candles in support, and we have a green bullish. But for the long run, it's not bullish because you can see the 200, the 150, and the 50 is not in series. So guys, I give you a good lesson today. I don't want to keep it too long, and I give you a free lesson. Just review it and share it. Thank you for having me. Take care. See you next time for another lesson. Free lesson. Subscribe and like it. Any comments, let me know. Thank you guys.